Hi, this is Freedom from Condo Planet. I want to welcome you to another episode of our video series on Mississauga Condos for sale. Today I want to talk to you about what is condo insurance. If you're looking at Mississauga Condos for sale, you definitely need to understand condo insurance because all the condo buildings must have a condo insurance policy in place. This policy is there to insure against major perils in the common elements or the apartment units themselves. It also provides additional coverage, which I'll touch upon as well. Now, first things first, if you're planning on buying a condo, you're going to need a lawyer specialized in condos that can review the condo insurance, because it's important to make sure the fundamentals at least are in place. Now, having said that, let's go back to the definition. You're insuring against major perils. Now, what are perils? Well, it all depends on what the policy categorizes, the insurance itself categorizes as a peril. But here are some of the common perils that are insured against with a policy. For example, pipes bursting, leaks, overflows, damage caused by sewer backup, damage caused by riots, vandalism, smoke, fire, lightning. You get the drift. That's the type of perils that are usually insured against. Okay, there's a huge number of them. Okay, now there's other types of coverage as well. What happens if the board of directors are sued? If they're sued by the owners or guests or a contractor or another third party? Well, this insurance policy also happens to insure the board of directors against liability in the event of being sued. Another thing we need to consider, well, what if someone gets injured or harmed in the building and there's a lawsuit that arises from that? This condo insurance policy usually insures against that as well. It insures against, the board of directors or any other related parties, provided that it's proved that all parties have acted in good faith and conducted their affairs with due diligence, which is pretty fair enough as far as I'm concerned. Now, let's get back to the condo insurance policy. Who pays for it? Well, all the owners pay for it. They pay through the premiums through the maintenance fees itself. Now, if you have building condo insurance, that doesn't mean that you should not consider an owner's insurance policy. That's a very important consideration. An owner's insurance policy will insure against things that are not covered in your condo insurance policy. Again, we return to the earlier recommendation of having your lawyer take a look at it, so you will be better informed as to what types of coverages you need in your own insurance policy. But here are some of the things that an owner's insurance policy will give you. For example, it will insure against your possessions. Important. A liability against injury or death in your own unit. That's important to have in your owner's insurance policy. Okay? Upgrades that you have in your building. Anything above the standard are considered upgrades. Okay? Or, for example, if there's any damage done to your unit or to any adjacent, below or adjacent unit, that's the type of coverage you're looking for in an owner's insurance policy. Well, I believe I've covered some of the ABCs of insurance. If you have any further questions, you can always reach us here at condoplanet.ca. Thank you.